This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You begin by getting essentials ready. Make sure Windows 11 is updated and your HP printer is powered and on the same Wi-Fi network, or connect USB for a direct link. Once done, open Settings, Bluetooth and Devices, Printers and Scanners so Windows can discover hardware. If you prefer, install the HP Smart app from the Microsoft Store now. It streamlines drivers and ink info. This first step speeds detection and prevents driver conflicts, making the rest of the setup straightforward. Now you install and configure the printer software. Open Printers and Scanners and click Add Device. Windows will search and list your HP model. If Windows doesn't find it, run HP Smart and follow its Add Printer wizard. This downloads the correct drivers. Once detected, select the printer and choose Manage to set preferences like paper size, duplex, and print quality. Make sure to set it as default if you print often. These settings ensure accurate output and prevent common formatting or driver mismatches. Finish by printing a test page to verify alignment, connectivity, and ink or toner levels. If the print fails or the printer is offline, restart your PC, router, and printer, then make sure Windows network settings use private profile. Once done, run the Windows Printer Troubleshooter or reinstall HP drivers. If network discovery still fails, add the printer by its IP address in Printers and Scanners, or run HP Print and Scan Doctor. This targeted troubleshooting resolves most connection and drive.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.